Hey YouTube, what's up? Oh, hold on. Oh, you guys gotta see me, yeah. Okay, let me bring down my automatic steering wheel. Nope. Oh, that's better. I'm just messing around. I'm in the car wash right now. I'm gonna get my car washed. Actually, I'm bringing it in to get washed. I'm not going to wash it myself. It's too hot outside. And I'm also gonna get my car bumped. I guess they put it in the car after they finish wash it. They're gonna put it in the car, and I don't know how it works. I think they just press it down or something and it make the car smell good. When you first put it, it's really powerful. So sometimes when I put it in, every few months I put it in the car. This one is fresh and clean. It's also good for houses too. When you put it in, it really just like really get into the car, and it lasts for a few weeks. Smells really good, but when you first put it in, it's overwhelming. So usually I have to drive with my windows down. We're doing a road trip this weekend. I took Monday off. It's my wife's birthday, so we're gonna just drive, hopefully with the family and stuff. Take a couple hours drive out of Houston and go do something crappy. Oh, this is the receipt for the car wash. So when I reach up there, the vacuum guy knows exactly what package I'm getting. I'm getting the full platinum detail kind of stuff. The only reason I'm getting it is because I got a discount after I changed my oil. So after I leave here, I'm gonna get to Discount Tires and get my wheels move around, rotate. They call it tire rotation. Get ready for the road trip. So my oil is changed, my car's gonna be clean, and my tire gonna be my tire gonna be rotated, and I should be ready to go. So I just finished my third leg of the journey for today. It's not a journey, I'm running errands. I just finished getting new tires on my truck. My car is washed, it's clean, it smells good. They bomb it with that stuff in there. It smells good. And I just put on 4 new tires because I went to rotate the tires like I said I was gonna do, but then the guy was like, we cannot rotate this sucker. These are almost, they wasn't bald. I know he was bullshitting me. I could have left it a little longer, but when you have wife and children and they drive in your vehicle, it's best you go safe. So okay, so let's get out of here. I'm hungry right now. I need to go home and shave. I have some errands to run today. It's my wife's birthday and I need to get her a gift. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I'm gonna run home right now, get something to eat, and head back out on the street. And now it's birthday gift hunting. We don't do the traditional surprise birthday gift. We always get to choose or give an idea of what we want. With me, it's easy. It's money or electronics. With her, it's bags, shoes, jewelry. So I'm on the road again. You can see I'm all fresh up. Cut my hair. We're going to a show tonight. We're going to see Chingo Bling tonight at the Improv. That was her choice here. Her gift. It's going to take all my YouTube money to get her gift. Run to the bank, get some monies and stuff. I've got 2 different banks, get some monies. Yeah, 2 banks because you don't want to bank in one bank in case you get robbed and they take all the money. I'm just joking. Back home from shopping, I did get my wife gift, but when I walked out of the store, she was in the area. She stopped by, we went to lunch, and I gave her a gift. I did go shopping, and I spent on myself, which I don't normally do, but I spent on myself. I got 3 pairs of shirts, a think it's some kind of Mark Anthony shirts, I think it is. So I got 3 pairs of shirts. I got 2 pairs of jeans, a shirt. So 3 pairs of shirts and 2 pairs of jeans. And 2 pairs of jeans, and I spent $112. I don't know why I'm vlogging all this, to be honest. I don't like vlogging. Charlie, out.